everybody, Holly here from HolliDay AnyDay, and I've got another Tipsy Tuesday tip. Now this is kind of a unique one. I made some pickled red onions. Now, let me tell you, they're really yummy to put on burgers. They're super good. You could even put them on tacos, it'd be great. You could put them on a charcuterie platter, in a salad, anything. So all I did was take some champagne vinegar, some sugar, bay leaves, coriander seeds, peppercorns, and a red chili pepper. And you cook it over the stove and just let everything, all the sugar dissolve and melt. Then we're gonna pour it over some sliced red onion and just let it hang out for a while. They'll get nice and softened. And then you can put them in a cute little jar like I have. It's a great gift, but look, they'll turn out just like this. And they're tasty. Oh, they're fabulous. Give it a try. It's easy breezy.